Okay, moving on. We got Kiwi yen broke this zone. This is perfect. This is exactly what I anticipated. So this long position is valid, and but I would still look for a pullback. You don't have to. I think this is still a good buy all day. You could buy it right now. It broke this zone. There's a ton of momentum. I think there's momentum across all the yen pairs now, which I usually wait for. This is a good tip. So I usually wait for the, how do I explain this? So all the yen pairs, for example, you got CAD yen, pound yen, Swiss yen, Kiwi yen, all those yen pairs. Once the momentum comes across all the pairs, and it's basically like all the currencies versus the yen, once they're all correlating properly, so like once they're all bullish, then I'm always happy to enter, because I know that basically the yen is weak and everything else is strong. So like, yes, each one will move a little bit differently. So like the pound might move more than the yen against the pound might move more than the Kiwi against the yen, but they're all moving in the same direction. So it's a pretty safe bet. And then you can just buy more of each as it goes. So that's what I like to do with my yen pairs, and that's what I'm going to do with this pair as well. You can see it just hammered this zone, super bullish. Price is crossing over this 4-hour moving average now. You could buy it now. I'm probably going to set a order for it to come back down and retest this zone a bit before I enter. There's a chance that it hits this little area here and pulls back a bit, so it might be something like this, and then wherever this pulls back to is probably where I'm going to buy it from. I'm not in a rush to buy this yet either. I kind of missed. I should have bought it earlier. I should have bought it probably last night, but missed it. So going to wait for it to come back on sale again a little bit. There are other pairs to trade, and so I'll just set this position probably down here and just see. Oh, deleted something there. I don't even know why it clicked. Okay, no big deal. Oh, I clicked something and I don't know what I clicked. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's just it's just lagging here. Okay, perfect. Yeah, so this is what we're looking for, something like this. But yeah, you're welcome to buy it now. I do think it's a fine buy. Like if you're not too overly cautious with stops or anything. I mean, there's no good. If you have to use a stop, there's no real good position right now. Like your stop would have to be like that, so that's not great. But you could have that too. But yeah, I'm just gonna wait for a little bit of a pullback on Kiwi yen here, and then take that long position all the way up to 90.5 level, and yeah, get that full range, and because that's the full monthly range. So I mean, you might as well target it, and once this starts moving, you know it moves quick. So this could be done, you know, in next week. This entire move could be done in next week. Totally possible. So that's my take on Kiwi yen.